Hey everyone! Today we're gonna make a character figure from the game Among Us. For this project, we'll need an expanded polystyrene, a glue, a box cutter, and a paint. To begin with, let's prepare a stencil of our future figure. You can leave a couple of centimeters in reserve at the edges. Since the figure is quite volume, we'll need to make several layers. Here we've got 10 pieces. Then glue them together. I chose universal water-resistant glue. In fact, any adhesive for foams will be also suitable for this purpose. It's better to press the figure with something heavy for a better solidification. Everything will be ready in a couple of hours. Using the box cutter, we begin to cut the shape. After the body and legs are ready, we start making a visor. The 2 cut pieces will be enough. The next organic part of the character is his backpack, behind the shoulders. We're gonna cut 4 rectangles for it. Round the corners according to the general look of our hero. After that, we apply a thick layer of putty on the astronaut's body. Let's leave our figure to dry overnight under the airstream. Now it's time to get rid of the roughness using a sandpaper. The detected splits and irregularities can be removed by extra layers of putty. Now we move on to the painting. I chose a bright red color. For the visor, I used blue acrylic paint. The stroke along the shelf is gonna be black. And finally, a small glare on the glass. Please welcome a fully functional spaceship crew member. And who is he? An imposter or a peaceful teammate? It's up to you to decide. Thanks for watching. Like this video if it was helpful and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to make your dreams makeable.